Hey, I'm Jason R., a YouTuber creating quality tech videos. Despite making videos that make tech simple and easy to understand, actually making these videos is pretty complicated. Today I'll be demonstrating how I can use UPDF AI to create a project plan for video. All I have to do is open the script file in UPDF and ask UPDF AI to generate what I want based off the script. Here I'll tell it the plan is to create a quality tech video that includes A-roll and B-roll, and to generate a project plan that also includes a shot list. And there you have it. UPDF AI was up to the task and generated exactly what I asked for. So what we just did is use UPDF AI to create a project plan for a new video. But now I'll be demonstrating how AI can help with task allocation. I run my YouTube channel by myself, meaning I have no team or employees, but let's see how UPDF AI could help if I had a team with me. Let's type in a few team members. Myself, Jason, subject in the A-roll and project manager, Jake, videographer, Andrew, audio editor, and Aubrey, video editor. Let's ask and see how UPDF AI can take the tasks from the project plan and allocate them to those team members. Clearly, UPDF AI is very useful at distributing tasks, and I can see myself using it in the future when I hire on help to help increase my production on YouTube. Okay, so we just finished making a project plan for an upcoming video, and now I'll be turning that project plan into a schedule. The project plan from before included a shot list and all other tasks necessary for completing the video, so now we just need to ask UPDF AI to create a schedule based off what's included in that. As you can see, this schedule tells us exactly what to do each day to bring the project closer to fruition. And if I wanted to change specific things in this schedule, I could ask UPDF AI to make those edits, or if I wanted a fresh start, I could ask it to generate a whole new schedule.